Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be discussed about the control statement in Java. A control statement is a statement that determines whether other statements will be executed. An if statement decides whether to execute another statement or decides which of two statements to execute. A loop decides how many times to execute another statement. A program executes from top to bottom. Expect when we use control statements, we can control the order of execution of the program based on the logic and values. In Java, control statements can be divided into the following three categories. First one is a selection statement, then iteration statement, and at the last, jump statement. So, selection statement. Selection statement allow you to control the flow of the program execution on the basis of the outcome of an exception or state of a variables known as a runtime. Selection statement can be divided into the following categories. First one is if and if else statement. Second one is if else statements. Third one is if else if statement. And at the last, switch statement. So here we just discussed the if statement. The if statement in Java works exactly like in the most programming languages. The first contains the statements that can be a block of an if statement only execute when the specified condition is true. If the condition is false and there is no else keyword, then the first contained statement will be skipped and execution continues with the rest of the program. The condition is an exception that returns a boolean value like true or a false. Now we just go to the example. So here I just import one library. So the library here is import java.util, and util is our scanner class. So I just import this library. So now I just write public static void main, and main is a string here. So I just write arguments and then the block of code. Here I just define the integer which is age, and then scanner class which is import, and import is device, so which is equal to new scanner, and then I just write system dot in. Now I just write system dot output dot print line, and the print line here is please enter age. So I just take the scanner class here because I am taking the user input. So now I just write age which is equal to input, and input is device, and device is next integer. Then here I just define my if statement. So if my age is greater than 18, and now in the if statement I just write system dot out dot print and the print line, and here I just write above 18. If my age is above 18, so it will be print I am above 18. So please enter your age. So I am right 19. So it is give us the answer you are above 18. Now I just go to the if else statement. I just click on this class if else statement. In if else statement, if the specified condition in the if statement is false, then the statement after the else keyword that can be a block will execute. Here I just write, so I import the library, import java util dot scanner, and now I write public static void and main, and I write string and arguments. Now here I write int age and scanner input device, which is equal to new scanner and system dot in. Then I write system dot out dot print, and the print line here is please enter your age. Now I write age, which is equal to input and device dot next dot, so next int, and I just close this code here. Now I just write if age is greater than 18, greater than or equal to 18, so write system dot out dot print line, which is above 18, and if age is not above 18, so what will be the output? So we just go to the else statement. So else is system dot out dot print line, and print line is below 18. I just save this code and execute it. Please enter your age. I just write my age is 11-year-old. So you can see it will give us the answer, which is you are below 18. Then I just write execute it, and I just write I am 19-year-old. So it will give me answer which is above 18. Now we just go to the if else if statement. Now I just click on else if statement. So this statement following the else keyword can be another if or if else statement. This statement look like if, and here is your condition, and then statement, then else if, and the else if condition here, and the statement, and then else statement and the condition of the else statement, and then statement. So whether the condition is true in this statement, the associated statement will be executed and the remaining condition will be bypassed. If none of the conditions are true, then the else block will be executed. Now I support library import java.util because I'm taking the user input here, so scanner class. Now I start public static void main, and I write string and arguments. Then input age and scanner, which is input and device, which is equal to new input device. Sorry, new input, and here I just write scanner and system dot in. Now I just write system dot out dot print and the print line here, and here I just write please enter age, and then I just write age which is equal to input and device dot next int. Now I use if statement. So if age is greater than or equal to 18, and use AND operator, and age which is less than or equal to 38. So system dot out dot print line which is between 18 to 38. Then I write else statement. So else if is age is greater than 35 and age which is less than or equal to 60. So it's 38 and age is less than or equal to 60. So system dot out dot print line, and the print line here is between 38 to 60, and at the last I write else statement. So else is system dot out dot print line and not matched. Now we just check the output for this code. So the output is, here I just add I am a 18-year-old. So I am between 18 to 38. Then I just add I am 30-year-old. So the age between 18 to 38. Now I write 50. So I am between 38 to 60. And at last I just write 99. So my age is not matched with the statement. Now we just go to the switch statement. The switch statement is a multi-way branch statement. This switch statement of Java is another selection statement that defines a multiple path of the execution of a program. It provides a better alternative than a large series of if-else if statement. Now I just import java.util, and here I just write scanner and then go to the body, and here I just write public static void main and then string and the arguments. Now I just write integer age and scanner which is input, and input is device here. Device which is equal to new scanner and system dot in. Now I write system dot out dot print line and the print line here is please enter age, and then I just write age which is equal to input device, and it's input device dot next, and next is a integer here. Now I just define the switch statement, and the switch is the age of, and then here I just define the case. So case is 18-year-old age, so you can always close your age with a colon, sorry, case with a colon. So I just write system dot out dot print line, and here I just write age which is 18, and then we just go to the another statement, but here I just break this statement. So after every statement you can break your statement first. Now I just copy this one and paste it one time, two time, three time, four time. So age is 19 here, and then 19. My age is 20, and it's 20 here. 21 and 21, and at the last 22 and 22. Now these are the ages, but after that ages, if these ages are not matched, then we just go to the default age. So default value, and then here it will print system dot out dot print line, and here I just write not matched, and then we just break this statement here. Now just check the output for this code. So please enter your age. So I am not 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. I just enter 25. So it will give me answer was not matched. Then I just write 12. So not a 12, it's 18. So my age is 18. And then 21. So my age is 21. So these are the statement and the control statement in the Java and switch statements. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.